my channel Way to Merchant Navy once again. Very good morning to all of you guys. And today's topic is how to apply assessment. And after applying assessment, how to payment and which all documents you need to download after assessment applying has been completed, and also the assessment fees. So let's give you one demo for you. So let's jump to my laptop screen.
Okay, what I have earlier said, today I will show you how to apply for assessment online and what is the procedure for it. So let's start it from here. Suppose first you have to log in your profile and you know how to update and how to correct it. If you don't know, then you can see my videos that showing in the card currently, and you can go to my description box and find the link from there. Okay, so let's proceed. Then we have to go to examination, then application for eligibility assessment. See, update profile. If you have not updated your profile correctly, then please correct it, especially your all the courses you have done, your college details, and each and every date should be matched with your original certificate. And make sure your form 3A, what I mean is your C time, which you will find in a master checker, the C service details, that must be updated properly as per the CDC by your company. It should not like that in the CDC you will get differentiated, in the form 3 you will get differentiated. It should not like that. It should be matched properly and must be C time more than 1 year. Okay, then MMD applied for, suppose Calcutta or Kolkata. Now grade 2nd met, stream nautical, continue. Okay, now you have selected this, please confirm. Okay, now see, now there is nothing, just e-payment you have to make, normal payment from net banking and all. Then you can payment 3000 rupees, it requires 3000 for your assessment. Then you can submit and reconfirm data to prior submission. So the transaction I will not show. After transaction what you will get, that I will show now. 9, this you need to download automatically. You need to just click form 29, and this is the details. You will get all the details that you have courses, and I'll see all the courses is here. You can get it from here. So that's the form 29. Into the signature, this is form 29. Okay, and next proceed to the payment details. This is the payment details. See, 3000 rupees you have paid, payment successful. This is payment details. This you need to take print out. And last documents is your assessment eligibility nautical. This is your acknowledgement. Your payment details also is here, and which MMD you have applied, and your grade, your course, everything has been, date also. These three you need to take print out after download the PDF.
Okay, so I have shown you which all documents you need to download after completion of your assessment applying via online, and how to apply from online also, that has been also shown, and fees also has been discussed. And last but not the least, I would like to tell you, before submitting, make sure that everything has been well corrected, profile has been updated, and be very sure that MMD which you have selected, that is very correct, and after that apply your assessment. So that's it for the day. Thank you guys. So thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Next videos I will tell you that the assessment checklist and which all documents, the full document set I will reveal that required for the assessment. So stay tuned for the next video also, and watch this video. If you like, please like the video and share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Signing off for the day.